McDonald's don't know watch there. It's time to clean up now. Where is everybody? Mercy. Watch out. Pattern sitting for wash up. Everybody eat full them belly. Gone at their yard. I yes of the work there now, you know. Oh yeah. See? I will clean up. But it's not a lot. To be honest, last night everybody chipped in. Balloon bust up and beer things. And you see my paper flowers them? Rain did that fall earlier. And you see my paper flowers them, guys? When my husband tell me say, and I laugh after me say it I go look like picnic decoration. Yeah, see? Buy look a sheen balloon them. A sheen, me get them balloon here upon you know. Sheen, me look a sheen something them. Cause the white, it place just big and look white. The wall white, everything white. So, you know, it was nice to have everything put together. Yep, this is it. Everything done. Food done. Let me say, you see this? A 20 pound of rice me cooking at that party last night. Yesterday. 20 pound. 20 pound of rice. I'm cooking at that party. The soup done. Let's say soup done. Everything done. Come wash up with some bleach and soap here now. Get some soap and bleach and come wash up everything out here. I'm seeing I look at jug. That's there. Oh, let me see if nothing in that cooler here. See? It's empty. Let's see what's going in this here. Gatorade. Hey, me say, may I tell you, it was a buzz, man. The party was a buzz. That's it, done. The one and that one, it feel empty. But, I'm going to clean up here now. You don't come help me. I'm never there, but me call enough to come help. Not true? Yeah. Nika said when she come from work, she can help me clean up. So, it was a buzz. I had so much fun. Life sometimes about fun. The people them where you're close to. Yeah. And I had a really good time. I'm not gonna lie to you. I had a really good time. But then I see my paper balloon, my paper flowers them when me buy pan sheen. When my husband laugh after me. I never that me plan for do with them. Plan to put them up in a year like the balloon, but me realize say I never have enough. So that never that gonna work out. Me have to buy maybe about 10,000 for put in that. So me have the balloon them, but the balloon them keep on a burst, so that never work out that well either. So but at least me kinda get a little picture. Balloon not work. Sun was the balloon them. And a good balloon me buy. Me buy some of the balloon them passion, but me buy a whole heap of them for Amazon too. And the two of them burst. So either way. But I had a really good time. Thanks be to God. Thanks to the people that will come out. People are drive and a look. Thanks to the people that will come out, chill out, and come have a little good time with me last night. Big up on yourself. Anybody who see this video, big up on yourself. All of my family them and my friends. Enough love.